This question is given in GATE 2015. Let's try to solve it. Integral 1 by pi to 2 by pi cos 1 by x divided by x square dx. Now we can use substitution method. So you can let 1 by x is equal to t. Then what do we get if we differentiate on both sides is minus 1 by x square into dx is equal to dt, right? So if you observe it, this entire function can be transformed like this. So dx by x square, so dx by x square is equal to minus dt. So in place of these two I can write minus dt, and in place of 1 by x I can write t. Therefore cos t into minus dt, and only thing remaining is what is the interval going to be, right? So in order to find out this interval, you substitute in place of x 1 by pi. If you substitute in place of x 1 by pi, then t is going to be pi. So you got pi here, and in place of x if you substitute 2 by pi, then t is going to be pi by 2. So integral pi to pi by 2 cos t into minus dt. So now we know that integral a to b, see this is the property, integral a to b f of x dx is equal to minus integral b to a f of x dx, which means if I reverse this this interval, then I have to apply negative sign. So already we have minus here, right? So assume that minus comes out, and again you are going to multiply with minus 1, therefore it is going to be positive. So if you try to reverse it, it is going to be pi by t to pi cos t dt, right? Now if you apply integration to cos t, it is going to be sin t. Why? D by dx of sin t is going to be cos t, right? So it is going to be sin t, then from pi by t to pi. So it is sin pi minus sin pi by 2. So what is sin pi? 0. Minus sin pi by 2 is 1. Therefore you are going to get minus 1. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177. And IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply. And statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.